व्यूवर्स, हाउ आर यू? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं शुरू कर रही हूँ ये व्लॉग क्योंकि मेरी दीदी थोड़ा बिजी है। तो हम लोग गए थे बाजार पापा के साथ। हम लोग लाए हैं सब्जी, अगरबत्ती और कुछ सामान। तो क्या आप देखने चाहते हैं हमारे शॉपिंग? तो चलिए देखते हैं। चलिए। So this is our market. This is called New Market. You can get everything from this market. Here some halwais are frying the jalebis. The market is loaded with fruits and vegetables.
So hi guys, tell me how you are liking Jia's voiceover. I am training her because I have too much pressure of studies. Here we came to the market with our papa to buy fruits, vegetables and baking supplies. I am liking the night market because it is after a very long time. Markets are open late at night. You can also hear the temple bells after a long time. And do you know what market this is? This is dry fish market and the smell is horrible. Papa is asking for some products and this is Jia. Finally, we came to the baking supplies store and luckily we got agarbattis in the same store. And we bought some fruits.
तो मेरी दीदी अब फ्री हो गई है अपने बिजी काम से, तो वो अब आप लोगों को कुछ दिखाना चाहती है।
Hello viewers, so today I came again to give you another product review, VLCC Multani Mitti Face Pack. I have been very busy these days because of my online exams and studies, and the weather was also very dull and my skin became so oily and so sticky and it lost all the glow. So I am going to apply this Multani Mitti face mask because it suits my skin. My skin type, my skin is combination type. I am completely forgetting what I want to say because of this Jia dancing like a crazy monkey upon my head. So what I was telling, my skin is combination type. Some parts are very oily and some parts are very dry. And you know, combination skin type is the most complicated skin type because nothing suits combination skin type. So luckily I found this product. It's totally amazing and it totally suits my skin type and it brings back my skin's pH balance to normal.
And this is my Elsa.
I don't know what Elsa has to do with this. So now I am going to apply this mask, but before that I will spray some rose water in my skin because this mask is a bit dry. Now my skin is like this, and after applying this mask, I will show you how my skin looks.
Ay.
No, I. The smell is very good.
I'm going.
So, that was a little accident. Just ignore it.
Just ignore it, huh? हेलो
Hello.
हेलो मैं पहली बार वीडियो में आई हूँ इसलिए हेलो बोल रही ना अभी हॉरी हॉरी हाँ हॉरी
And guys, please tell in the comments, has any one of you played the Charlie Charlie pencil game in real? Because Gia is so keen in playing that, and I am also thinking. So my eyes are a bit teary because I accidentally sprayed rose water into my eyes, and I have finally tied this scarf like this because it's slipping down. I know I'm looking very funny, but just ignore it.
ignore
So I will have to stop talking now because the mask is drying up slowly and it will leave some cracks near my mouth. So I will go now and come back later after this mask dries up completely and I wash my face.
and why is she now talking
So I have washed my face and see how my skin looks, and there is a spoiler. I will do something about it and see what my mandali is doing.
हाँ तो दे देगा तीनों दे जिया पानी लाओ ना क्या पानी
So please tell in the comments what you think about this product. After all this shopping and product review, we became very hungry. So mom is making evening snacks for us and she is making cheese parathas. And this is me trying to fold my cheese in a different way. And this is another way. You can try whatever suits you. Cheese and butter are best combos. Here, Gia is busy with her cheese pulling session. This is dheki shak or fiddlehead ferns in English. I don't know how many of you have eaten this, but I like these greens very much. They are very popular in our northeast India. Mom tempered the mustard oil with dried red chili, green chili, kalonji and crushed garlic, and then she added the greens. Then she added salt and turmeric powder. Covered and cooked, and it is done. Normally, we Bengalis don't eat greens at night, but since we bought them fresh,
করতে লাগে।
so mom made them.
ওখানেই হইলো সাউন্ড আর ওখানেই করে দিলে।
Next, she is making brinjal fritters with besan. I love them very much. In Bengali, they are called begun bhaja or beguni. This is our dinner: fiddlehead ferns, brinjal fritters, dal, and rice. This is my ultimate comfort food, and this makes me very happy. So, this was all about our daily vlogs. And lastly, if you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bye!